In our study that we recently published, we assessed the relationships between quality of the diets and frontal cortex neurochemistry and structure, and specifically looked at this area in the brain because we know that this brain area is implicated in common mental disorders like depression and anxiety, as well as a transdiagnostic factor of these common mental disorders, which is ruminative thinking in humans. The results of this study show that compared to high quality group, low diet quality group had reduced frontal gamma aminobutyric acid and increased frontal glutamate concentrations in the brain, as well as reduced frontal gray matter volumes. And interestingly, we observed a significant negative relationship between rumination and gray matter volume, and a marginally significant relationship between rumination and elevated glutamate concentrations. And we also found marginally significant association between elevated glutamate concentrations and gray matter volume. So it seems like there are associations between what we eat, the quality we eat, and neurochemistry and the structure of the prefrontal cortex. We know that certain conditions like obesity or high saturated fat diets alter glutamate metabolism in animals, and these could disturb obviously the metabolism of glutamate and subsequently could alter GABA concentration in humans because they are GABA and glutamate, they are supposed to be in balance. GABA also has a role in regulating food intake and appetite. So it's possible that reduced frontal GABA or increased frontal glutamate concentrations in the brain may increase neuronal hyperexcitability and therefore affect inhibitory control processes related to food intake and appetite. And this may result in making more unhealthy or poor food choices. So we should be able to see the other way around. So people may eat poor quality food, and then this may result in changes in the brain, but it's also possible that specific type of alterations that are already in the brain causing people to eat poorly. So I just wanted to highlight that point.